Okay, so good morning and happy Thursday. I'm going to go ahead and do today's daily math, and then I will make another video of the first part of the task along with the first page of the real number system practice that you all have the opportunity to look at this week. You may hear wind chimes and birds and the wind because I'm outside. It's just far too pretty to be inside today, so I hope you are getting outside as well. So identify the set or sets of numbers to which each number belongs. Name all that apply. So identify, and I think set or sets here of numbers to which each number belongs. Name all that apply. So, and then of course each problem would be a place we would need to pay attention. I think this S here, the set or sets, implying that there could be more than one, would be a keyword and a red flag, and all would be a red flag as well. Again, being sure to note that there is more than one potential answer for some, if not several of these. So the skills that I need today: I need to know the real number system, and I need to know the vocabulary around it, and that those terms are irrational, rational, integer, whole, and natural. I could even add real there because it's not, that word is not actually used in the question, implying that that could also be a set of numbers that a number could belong to. So my strategy is that I'm going to look at each number and name each set. So 7/8. Every number that we studied is real. 7/8 can be written as a fraction, which makes it rational. Remember, that's the definition, is any number that can be written as a fraction is rational. It is not an integer because I cannot put it on the number line. Remember, fractions and decimals are not allowed to be in the integer category. Number 2, 2 and 53/100 repeating. Again, every number we studied is real. If you didn't write that for every one of them, that's okay. It's implied, but I'm adding it there just to reinforce to us the concept. This decimal repeats, and since it repeats, we could write it as a fraction, making it rational. Again, no fractions or decimals are allowed in the integer category, so that's where it would stop. Nice big breeze coming through right now. 3, the number pi, even though it's different, it's still real, it happens to be irrational because I cannot write pi as a fraction because it neither stops nor does it repeat. Number 4, -17. That number is real. It can be written as a fraction because I can put -17 over 1, which makes it rational. I could put it on the number line, which makes it an integer. It is not a whole number because it's negative. Number 5, 0. 0 is real. It is rational. It is an integer. I can put it on the number line. And it is a whole number. It is not a natural number because you cannot have 0 of something. And not only that, but it's the natural counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so forth. Number 6, the square root of 38. Well, it's real, but the square root of 38. 38 is not a perfect square, which makes it irrational because most imperfect squares don't stop or repeat, and therefore they are irrational. Number 7, the square root of 512. Trying to honestly think about my perfect squares. Is 512 one of them? As we get into 6, 7, 8, or 9. 6 is 216. No, that's cubed. Pretty sure 512 is not a perfect square. So I'm going to say real and irrational. If you catch me and I'm wrong, then drop me a comment, let me know. And then number 8, 97 is real. I can write it as a fraction, so it's rational. I can put it on the number line, so it's an integer. It's positive, so it's a whole number. And it's not 0, so it is natural as well. And there you have it. Common mistakes would be confusing rational and irrational, not naming all of the sets of numbers that a number belongs to, mistaking one of these for a perfect square, and not knowing your vocabulary. It's really important that you know your vocabulary for this unit as we go throughout this process, and rating your level of understanding on a scale of 1 to 5. And there you have it. It is a little cooler outside today, but man, it is gorgeous. So please do yourself a favor and get outside today. Take a nice 30-minute walk, put some headphones in, listen to some music. Just enjoy the beauty of today, or even just take a blanket or a towel and lay out in the yard and just soak up the sunshine and some peace and quiet, or read outside. What a great day that we have before us. So enjoy.